Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of JRP Unbox. Today we got the Garmin Tread. The Garmin Tread is the latest and the greatest from Garmin in power sports navigation. I mean, in theory, you should be able to do like the Baja 1000 with this bad boy. It's got ultra rugged design, and it's like compatible with your gloves. So when you touch the screen, you're good to go. It's got some pitch and roll sensors on there. It's got some altimeters and barometers. We're gonna unbox this bad boy and show you guys what's inside. So just to be real with all you guys, we did unbox this unit a little bit earlier at the office because, I had to plug it in, make sure that, we had battery going at the latest updates. So you're going to have to do that. We're just unboxing it out in the field for you guys. We're going to go into the forest over there, see how the Garmin does, and take you along for the ride with me. Come on, let's unbox this thing. All right, so here we go. We got our sweet, sweet Garmin Tread. Let's unbox this bad boy. Oh dang, look at that. Beautiful packaging, as to expect from the leader in GPS navigation technology. A lot of the GPSs we use today have patents in them that these guys came up with. Garmin's been around since the beginning, and wow, look at this packaging design, everybody. This is incredible. Thanks, Garmin. There's the unit itself, Garmin Tread. It's the power button right there. Over here, that's a spot for your micro SD. You're going to want to put one in there. We put one in when we unboxed this at the office before this, just to set it up for you guys. We're in the middle of forest right now, everybody, so had to be a bit more prepared. That's the power port, and it's also got a pad that goes on here, which can mount it to your dash. And this bezel over here is replaceable. They give you a couple options we're going to get into. And right there's just a little, shows you what it's going to look like when you're going out for a rip. But again, that's just a little sticky thing. So that's the Garmin Tread right there, just powered on. It looks just like that sticky thing that was on there, but when you pull out of the box, you're going to want to plug it in. So let's go ahead and go through what you get in the box with it and continue on our adventure. Ooh, we got a nice little mount with a Jubilee clamp. Oh, there are those sweet bezels I was talking about. Black, red, highlighter yellow. Again, replaces the blue. I kind of like the blue myself. So we'll keep it on the blue. And this is the back clip. So you get a little back clip that mounts to the first mount that we got there. So again, pretty well thought out by the good folks at Garmin. And this is your power supply, so most of you are going to hardwire this in. Today, for just demonstration purposes, I'm going to just use the battery on board and an external battery pack through a USB power pack, just to make life a bit easier. But Garmin gives you all the instructions and all the little things, and 12-volt power supply, ground, not too complex. You guys got this. And all the instructions, and they also give you all the little hardware in there as well. Little bits of hardware. Pretty cool. And that's about it. I just want to go through a bit of the instructions that I was saying here. When you're going through this, they will show some stuff that doesn't come with it. Like example, in the instructions, this little power unit, that's an accessory. You're gonna have to order that. It just again shows you the antenna. It's also an accessory, and we got the Jubilee clamp in it. So let's get this thing all set up, and we'll go through it together and see how long it takes to get us up and going and on our little trail adventure. Another cool feature of the Garmin Tread is that you can save and share routes with your friends. So if you're out for a rip and you find a cool spot, you can share it with your buddies. To maximize visibility out on the trails, you can hook up to 4 BC40 wireless cameras to your Garmin Tread. One of the coolest accessories you can get for your Garmin Tread is the Garmin Power Switch digital switch box. It controls all your 12 volts accessories right to your Garmin Tread, and it's also accessible through your phone with the Garmin app. The Garmin Tread also works with IntelliReach satellite communications, so you can contact your loved ones when you're on the trail without the need of your cell phone. It also lets you be able to drop breadcrumbs so people always know where you are on the trails. Well, that about wraps it up for the Garmin Tread, everybody. So far, I mean, didn't get lost. Had a great day out for a ride in the bush, and I highly recommend you get one. All right, everybody. Well, that's it for another episode of JRP Unboxed. Thanks for watching another episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw here, and let us know what other products you want us to unbox for you. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye now.